Find the ratio of the area of the shaded portion to the area of the unshaded portion. So we want a ratio, means shaded is to unshaded. Okay, and you need to find the area of them. The area. Okay, so from that figure that we have here, what I need to do is, one thing that I can do first is to divide this diagram of figure into three different parts. I have number one here, right? Then I have another one here. Okay, then I have another one here. There's three different shaded parts lah. In other words, this is number one, this is number two, and this is number three. Okay, I put that. The shaded parts, there are three different shapes for the shaded part. For the whole figure, if you look at the whole figure, it is like this. It is a rectangle, right? For the whole figure, is just a rectangle, easy. So we can find the area of that whole rectangle easily. Okay, you can see, I divide them accordingly. So what are we going to do first? Let's focus on finding the shaded part first. Okay, so let's focus on finding the shaded parts. Okay, for the shaded part, I have area of triangle 1, area of rectangle 2, area of triangle 3. Okay, so we do that. Area of triangle 1 equals to half times base times height. Let's look at triangle 1. What is the base? The base here is this much. Let's change color. Cannot see. I use red. This is the base. Okay. Where's the height? This is the height. Okay. So if you look at the base covers 1, 2, 3. 3 of that square. 3 of the sides. The sides is 2 cm. So 3 of that will be half times 6 times the height is 2. 1, 2. 2 of them is 4. Okay. So this will be 12 cm squared. Okay. Next, we move on to area of 2. Area of rectangle 2 equals to length times breadth. Length times breadth equals to, so the length over here will be the longer part, which is this portion here. And you can see it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means 8. How do I get that? I take 4 times 2 because each side is 2 cm. Okay. So the breadth is the shorter part. There is 1, 2, 3. So this will be 6 cm. 8 times 6 equals to 48 cm squared. Done. Then we move on to area of triangle 3. That will be half times base times height equals to, let's look at that. The base over here will be, you can either take the longer or shorter one. I take the longer one here. And that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 8. Half times 8 times the height is the shorter part here. This 2 will be times 4 equals to 16 cm squared. Are we done? We are not done yet. We're just halfway there. So area of the whole shaded parts. The shaded parts, there are 3 different shapes, right? We add them up. Total area of shaded parts equals to 12 plus 48 plus 16. And this will give me 76 cm squared. Am I done? I'm done with the shaded part. I'm not done yet with the unshaded part. Okay, so the whole rectangle, the one that I shade in blue or I outline in blue, the length and the breadth, this is my length, this is my breadth. Okay, the length will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 16 cm. Okay, then the breadth will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is 12 cm. All right, so the area of whole rectangle, area of whole Rectangle equals to length times breadth equals to, you can put 16 times 12 equals to 192 cm squared. Okay, so we have that already. Now, can we find the area of the unshaded part? So, area of unshaded part, you take the whole area 192 cm squared. You take away all the shaded parts, which is 76 cm squared. This one equals to 116 cm squared. Then I can have my ratio. Okay, shaded area is to unshaded area equals to, shaded is this one, 76 is 2, unshaded is this one, 116. Okay, then what are we going to do? We divide it, means make it smaller, both of them divided by 4. Here also divided by 4, and when you do that you get 19 is to 29. Answer. Okay,